Ever heard of Nelson Mandela? Yeah, of course you have. Born in 1918 in a place that sounds straight out of a fantasy novel, that's Mvezo in Umtata, this guy was South Africa's answer to a real-life superhero. And no, he didn't wear a cape or shoot lasers from his eyes. Growing up in a world where apartheid, think racial segregation on steroids, was the norm, Mandela decided he wasn't having any of that. While some of us get annoyed if our coffee order is wrong, Mandela spent 27 years in prison, mostly just for standing up to bullies. And when he finally got out, instead of holding a grudge, he went on to lead the country and preach about unity and reconciliation. Talk about maturity. He once humbly said, "I am not a saint unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying." Nelson Mandela wasn't just a political figure. He was a symbol of resilience, unity, and let's face it, serious class. A reminder that it's never too late to change the world, one kind act at a time. In this video, we will go through some of his wisdom and philosophies, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Welcome to BlackRock Inspired. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. It always seems impossible until it's done. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. There is no passion to be found playing small in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. I am not a saint unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner. Money won't create success. The freedom to make it will. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Tread softly, breathe peacefully, laugh hysterically. Freedom cannot be achieved unless the women have been emancipated from old forms of oppression.